The use of plastic straws is a large debate at the moment, and there are many Americans who believe that plastic straws should be banned because they are indeed non-essential. I agree with this and think that the use of plastic straws should be cut or diminished altogether. There are many different statistics toying with the exact number of plastic straws used each year, but the main point in not using straws is not the number, it is reducing waste. The important thing is to make an impact as an individual by cutting down a non-essential product. There are 3 important reasons as to why the use of these straws should be stopped. Plastic straws are very hard to recycle, there are many different alternatives that are much better for the environment, and they are polluting our world. Recycling. Recycling plastic straws is an important part because plastic straws are much too small to go through the machinery that it takes to recycle them. According to a quote by Jonathan Cole of the DC Department of Public Works, plastic straws and other items smaller than 2 by 2 inches, such as plastic utensils, fall through the machinery that sorts our recycling. They ask citizens not to recycle these items. So if such items are so hard to recycle, then why are we still continuing to use them? Second, the material that straws are made of is very cheap and common, so many recycling plants do not think it's worth the work needed. Straws are made of polypropylene. Plastic utensils, yogurt containers, and bottle lids are also made of this material and are much easier to recycle, which makes companies not want to waste time with straws at all. It takes up to 200 years for a plastic straw to decompose, according to a blog post partnered with Get Green Now in January of 2018. With so many straws being used and not being recycled, a future overloaded with plastic straws will be the outcome if this issue is not fixed. Alternatives. There are plenty of alternatives to plastic straws that are much better for the environment. The first is paper straws. Paper straws were used well into the 1960s and should be used in place of plastic because they are much easier to recycle and decompose faster than their plastic counterparts. Another better alternative to plastic straws are reusable straws. These reusable straws are made from materials such as silicone. They are a better alternative because they are used for a much longer duration of time and are 100% recyclable. While you only use plastic straws one time, these straws can be used for up to months at a time. The third alternative is an option that many Americans will not be on board for, but it is to not use plastic straws overall. While straws are something that most enjoy, there are only a few health reasons, such as being on a ventilator, that make having straws a necessity. Pollution. Plastic straws, as I've previously said, are bad for the environment, with plastic straws taking up to 200 years to decompose and many recycling plants not taking them. They are filling up landfills and are going to continue to pile up. It is estimated that 500 million plastic straws are used in America each day. These straws are being thrown out of car windows, thrown in the garbage, and not many think about how this is polluting our planet. If plastic straws are taken away, it will help start a change to keep our planet healthy. Plastic straws are also polluting our oceans. 8 million tons of plastic trash flows into the ocean each year, according to National Geographic. Although the plastic straw is not causing all of it, it is a big contributor, and plastic straws should be taken away. Silicone straws can be bought on Amazon, Walmart, or Target for as low as $5 for a 5-pack. As I conclude, I ask you, are you going to let something as small as this contribute to hurting our planet because they cannot be recycled? There are better alternatives to them, and they are polluting the planet. Let's start a change.